The thick fog has dissipated here in the Western Cape. We only have that thin layer of band left over the mother city as well as along the west coast. Enjoy the sunshine while it lasts, Cape Town. We've got another front making its way to the coast this weekend. But what's the weather look like across South Africa? Let's see. This weekend, we've got another cold front making its way to the Western Cape, expected to move over the southwestern coast on Saturday morning, but then quickly moving eastwards with only isolated showers in the Western Cape, later along the southern coastline, and a gusting westerly wind behind that front. Into Sunday, a ridging high will help to push in moisture and scattered showers over large parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated showers in the forecast on Saturday morning as that cold front moves over the Western Cape. Later, light rain along the southern coastline. A few isolated thunderstorms are likely over parts of northwest and the Free State, becoming scattered later over parts of the Eastern Cape and Wild Coast, with also light rain possible along the Eastern Escarpment and the Lowveld. But it's into Sunday where reaching high will push in scattered showers over large parts of KwaZulu-Natal, and due to a continuous onshore flow and a little bit influx of tropical moisture, widespread showers could lead to heavy downpours over the northern coast of KwaZulu-Natal on Sunday morning. As I've mentioned, behind that cold front, a strong westerly wind expected to spread along the southern coastline, later the Eastern Cape, turning southwesterly on Saturday, reaching the southern coast of KwaZulu-Natal, with also a gusting onshore southerly wind bringing cloud and scattered showers over KwaZulu-Natal's coast. Into Monday, winds turning northeasterly along the east coast, and the Cape Doctor will pick up in Cape Town. For those of you wondering, where's tropical cyclone Freddie? Well, it's about to make landfall over the central coast of Mozambique, just south of Beira, with gusting winds more than 130 kilometers near the eye and heavy downpours. Freddie is then expected to move inland and weaken this weekend, but remain almost quasi-stationary for at least 2 days and will continue to bring torrential downpours for parts of Mozambique. Some models are indicating Freddie will then by next week make another U-turn, is likely to move back into the Mozambique channel, but thankfully Freddie seems to stay away from South Africa. The forecast can change, and we know tropical cyclone forecasts are extremely fickle, so we will continue to give you updates on box weather. But back home, it's going to be cooler on Saturday due to that cold front moving over the Western Cape, 22 in Cape Town and George, but a mainly sunny and warm to hot day over the rest of South Africa. Temperatures in the upper 20s and above 30 degrees over the interior. Into Sunday, cooler in the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal, where it's going to be a cloudy and rainy Sunday, 25 in Cape Town, and becoming hot in the Northern Cape, with temperatures soaring close to 40 degrees. And you can expect lots of sunshine with a very warm 31 in Pretoria. Well, that's all from me, and remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.